Are you looking for the best mop buckets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mop buckets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Simpli-Magic 79229 Mop Bucket. This product does not only offer you a simple bucket, but the whole cleaning system to keep your floors squeaky clean. Rinsing the mop head takes a good amount of effort. To make it easier, a spinner is attached to the bucket which gets the job done for you. Moreover, the pole of this product is of the telescopic kind. Hence, it is suitable for everybody no matter what your height is. Besides, with the drainer plug, you do not need to carry a bucket full of water once you are done cleaning. As the mop heads are of microfiber, even the chemicals will come off. At number 4, Oshang Mop and Bucket Set. A lot of thought has been given in the design of this product. The mop of the set has been intentionally giving a really flat shape. This allows you to easily reach into the various crevices and corners without any struggle. The pole for the mop makes use of steel for its material. Steel has been well known for its durable attributes. It goes without saying, when it comes to long-lasting usage, you can depend on this product. The bucket also sports a really innovative mop cleaning feature. Not only does it get washed and rinsed, but even drying is immediately taken care of. At number 3, Hurricane Mop with Bucket. This product makes the job easier for you without necessarily making use of any harmful energy resources. The bucket comes with a foot pedal. Therefore, no cord will restrict you from moving around. The spinner in the bucket does its magic with some pushes on the foot pedal, so you can wring out the mop without requiring touching the head. As a matter of fact, the mop head can pivot a good 360 degrees. Therefore, giving you considerable flexibility when you get down to cleaning. At number 2, Amazon Commercial Mop Bucket. Whether it is for personal use or commercial purposes, this heavy-duty product can handle it all. The bucket makes use of none other than the PP plastic. This gives the bucket the required strength and increases the life of the product. More than that, the bucket has a good 35 quart capacity. Hence, you do not need to keep making frequent trips back and forth while cleaning. Dragging such a big bucket can be a real hassle if you have to cover a good part of the floor. For that reason, this product also comes with rolling casters, which glide easily on any floor. At number 1, Oxo Mop Bucket. With this product, you will not go wrong. With its spectacular service, the mop bucket has won the hearts of many and rightfully earned the title of Amazon's choice for itself. It is sure to have what you are looking for as well. Besides, for those who are running on a budget, this bucket will be a steal deal. Even though it is inexpensive, the bucket makes no compromises on the quality. The handle on this product is that of the non-slip kind, so there are no accidents. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.